Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at Clenzy Vitamin Diffuser Vape. It claims to help you quit nicotine by delivering vitamins through vapor. Sounds interesting, right? But is it actually helpful or just another overpriced gimmick? Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Clenzy is a nicotine-free diffuser that looks and feels like a vape. The idea is that you inhale flavored vapor that contains vitamins which supposedly help with cravings while you quit nicotine. Each device is supposed to last around 500 puffs, but there's no trustworthy rating for Clenzy at the moment. That already makes it hard to verify how well it's received by real customers. Some people online say the flavor is decent, but many have complained about issues like late delivery, dead on arrival devices, and customer service that doesn't respond. Here's the thing: just because it says vitamins doesn't mean it's safe. Inhaling supplements isn't the same as eating them, and there's not enough science to back up any real health claims or benefits from this method. In some cases, inhaling certain ingredients might even be harmful to your lungs. So, does it work? Maybe for some people as temporarily placebo or habit effect or habit replacement, but overall there are too many red flags between questionable effectiveness, shipping issues, and no solid reviews to back it up. This product feels more hype than help. Have you tried Clenzy? Let us know how it went in the comments, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this one.